Hi again, friends. Welcome back to RCE Finance Guide. It's good to see you in another one of our episodes. Today, we have another exciting tutorial video for you that'll help you boost your business online. In this video, we're going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create an awesome Facebook page. Whether you're a small business owner, a social media manager, or just someone looking to build a virtual community, this video could be your helpful guide. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of it, let's just say that having a Facebook page can be a game changer for your brand, your business, or even your personal brand. Whether you want to showcase your passion for photography, promote your small business, or simply connect with friends and family, Facebook has got your back. Such a powerful online marketing tool also has a lot of powerful optimization options that you can use to achieve the goals you want for your business. So if you're ready to learn how to create a fantastic Facebook page, then without further ado, let's dive right in. Chapter 1. Set clear goals. The first step to creating an engaging Facebook page is to set clear goals. Ask yourself, why am I creating this page? Is it to gain more followers, promote products or services, or simply share your thoughts and experiences? Understanding your goals will help you tailor your content and connect with the right audience. 2. Choose the right page type. Once you've got your goals in place, it's time to select the appropriate page type. Facebook offers several options like local business or place, brand or product, community or public figure, and more. Choose the category that best represents you or your brand for a more authentic connection with your audience. Chapter 2. Page creation. Next step is to create your Facebook page, which is super easy. 1. Sign up or log in. Simply log in to Facebook. Or if you don't have a Facebook account, you must sign up for a new one. 2. Create a page. Then just head over to facebook.com/pages/create, or you can simply click on the Pages tab on the left sidebar of Facebook. Once you're there, click on the Create New Page button on the top right corner. 3. Fill in page information. Afterwards, fill in your page name, category, and provide a short description. Remember to choose a category that best reflects your objectives and your page's purpose, like business or brand, community, public figure, or even an entertainment page. You can also create a custom URL that's easy to remember and relevant to your page. Chapter 3. Page design. All right, now that you have your Facebook page ready to go, let's move on to the fun part and make it visually appealing. Remember, first impressions matter. Customizing your page will help you stand out from the crowd. So, navigate to the Settings tab at the top of your page and click on Edit Page. 1. Add a profile and cover photo. Your cover photo is the first thing people will see when they visit your page, so it's crucial to make a lasting impression. Here, you can easily upload a profile picture and cover photo that align with your brand or purpose. So get creative, use high-quality images, and incorporate your brand's colors and logo to make it truly eye-catching. 2. Add a call to action button. Also set up a call to action button that directs visitors to your desired action, such as Shop Now, Sign Up, or Contact Us. Don't forget to add a compelling description as well. Chapter 4. Page optimization. Now, it's time to optimize your Facebook page for maximum visibility and engagement. To do this, click on the Settings tab again and explore the various options available. Under the General tab, you can customize your page URL, ensuring it matches your page name. This will make it easier for people to find and remember your page. 1. Complete the About section. Start with updating the About section with relevant details, including a detailed description, contact information, website link, and operating hours if applicable. Don't overlook the importance of an engaging About section, because this is where you can briefly describe what your page is all about to let people know what they can expect from your content. Make it concise, yet compelling, and remember to include relevant keywords to increase your page's visibility. 2. Customize tabs and sections. Next is to rearrange or customize the order of the tabs on your page, such as videos, photos, shop, and more. This helps highlight the most important content. 3. Post regularly. And finally, one of the most important factors for a successful page is to consistently share engaging content related to your page's theme. You might also want to try incorporating a variety of media, such as text, images, videos, and links. Chapter 5. Page Insights. Okay, folks, this next step is crucial for tracking your page's performance and making data-driven decisions. Facebook Page Insights will be your best friend in understanding your audience, their preferences, and the impact of your content. To learn about your page insights, head over to the Insights tab on your page. Here, you'll be able to access valuable data about your audience reach, engagement, and content performance. With the given information, you can use it to identify which types of content work best. Make sure to monitor metrics like post reach, likes, comments, and shares to gauge the effectiveness of your content. And learn about your audience demographics, such as age, gender, location, and interests, so you can refine your strategy accordingly and tailor your content to match their preferences. Chapter 6. Page Security. Before we move on to discussing the monetization tools, let's first talk about page security, because keeping your page safe is essential, especially with the increasing number of cyber threats. 1. Assign page roles. To enhance your page's security, navigate to the Settings tab once again and click on Page Roles. Here, you can assign specific roles and permissions to team members and grant them access based on their responsibilities, such as admin, editor, and moderator. 2. Use two-factor authentication. It's also best to enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. 3. Content moderation. Don't forget to set up profanity filters and moderation tools to ensure the comments and content on your page meet your guidelines. Chapter 7. Monetization tools. Finally, the last crucial point of this video, the Facebook monetization tools. Monetizing a Facebook page involves leveraging various tools and features that allow you to generate revenue from your page's content and audience. Here is a list of some of the monetization tools available for running a Facebook page and their functions. First, we have ad breaks. Ad breaks allow you to include short ads in your video content. When your viewers watch these ads, you earn a share of the revenue. To be eligible for ad breaks, your page needs to meet certain criteria, such as having at least 10,000 followers and meeting certain content guidelines. You can set up ad breaks in eligible videos to earn revenue. We also have branded content that features a third-party brand, product, or service. With Facebook's branded content tools, you can work with advertisers to create sponsored posts, videos, or other content. These collaborations can provide both the brand and your page with exposure and potentially revenue. You can use the branded content tag to properly disclose such partnerships to your audience. Next is instant articles, which allow you to create and share interactive, fast-loading articles within the Facebook app. You can monetize instant articles by placing ads within your articles, and you share the ad revenue with Facebook. Instant articles can provide a seamless reading experience for your audience and potentially increase engagement. Fan subscriptions are also a thing, and these tools allow your most loyal fans to support your page by paying a monthly subscription fee. In return, subscribers get access to exclusive content, badges, and other perks. This tool is particularly useful for creators who want to provide extra value to their dedicated audience members. If you sell physical products, you can use the tool Facebook Shops to set up an online store directly on your page. This tool allows you to showcase your products, manage orders, and facilitate transactions without needing to direct users to an external website. 6. Affiliate marketing. While not a direct tool provided by Facebook, you can engage in affiliate marketing on your page. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral links. You can share affiliate links in your posts or videos. 7. premium content subscriptions. This feature is being tested in some regions, but the general function of this tool is that it allows creators to offer subscription-based access to exclusive content. Therefore, subscribers get access to premium content, and creators earn a share of the subscription revenue. 8. Live shopping. And finally, we have live shopping. Live shopping combines live video streaming with the ability to showcase and sell products. During a live stream, you can showcase products and encourage viewers to purchase them in real time. This tool is especially effective for product demonstrations and launches. By following these steps and utilizing the mentioned tools, you can create, manage, and monetize a successful Facebook page that engages your audience and generates revenue. However, eligibility requirements and availability of these monetization tools may change over time, so it's essential to keep up with Facebook's official guidelines and updates. And there you have it, friends, a comprehensive step-by-step guide on creating an amazing Facebook page. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an incredible Facebook page that stands out from the crowd. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, connecting with your audience, and staying consistent. Now it's your turn to put these tips into action and create an impressive online presence. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to RCE Finance Guide for more informative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Also, let us know in the comments below what you think of our tips for branding on Facebook, or if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next video here on RCE Finance Guide.